So make sure let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you have not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop any single update, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's start with our trade first thing first. We need to understand something, that is the trend. So we can clearly see that our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY is in an uptrend move. It is very clear that we are in an uptrend move. Market is clearly trending to the upside, right? Now, if you take a look at this movement the market did right here, this is the high that market formed. Then here comes the higher low. Market then was able to form a new high, which is an higher high, and this is our higher low, right? Market then was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here is the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, we will be expecting market to push further up till it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high right here. So we will be expecting market to push up further till it is able to take out this high. So that is to tell you that for the day, we will be anticipating for a bullish move on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So now that this is just a corrective phase that market has formed right here, we will be expecting one more push up again. So a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY.